Now, after now, people, we send and go ask the school principal for help us with the march for this coming Friday, people. This coming Friday, people. The principal say, them not interested in that. No. Imagine all of Jaden look a friend them, in best friend them people. Different from Mr. T people. All of Jaden look a best friend them people go at the school. And we're gonna do something, people, for try to bring a closure to Jaden mother and the people them. And we do a thing now, people, for help close the case, people. Wrap up the case fast, people. The principal for the school said them not interested for company demonstration. What kind of cold-hearted people, man? Now, we send now people to the JLP government people. Now, me have to talk how it is, people. Now, and if them say a lie, people, them can come and say, Emperor, you're telling a lie on us. Because true, and people, me not tell a lie. No people say, but how you not send to the PMP party? See, your Andrew wants a friend for true. I just go on a war, but to that friend. No, people. The reason why I send for the JLP party first, because I'm the Prime Minister. So you have to give him the upper hand first. See, like I see the people I'm sending for the Emperor. So me have to say, all right. People, the people them say, every last member of the JLP party will be engaging in things that they're there. So wait. But you have the shadow minister them, you have the you have the second in command, you have the Minister of Finance, but you have the second in finance, if him gone. You have Andrew Wallis, but you have Orius Chong, the Chinese man. If you have Andrew gone, the Chinese them run Jamaica fully. Orius Chong is the opposition leader. And then to Orius Chong, you have a local man named Ching Lee, which is an see, so they were showing straight up Andrew Wallis gone, you know. And the Chinese them took over Jamaica fully. But anyway, I'm not busy with a part of the people. So that's why we have to carry the Nyan Kepong Maroon government people. So this is how we, the Maroon government people, we there phone straight through. The Nyan Kepong Maroon sovereign government there phone straight through, people. No. There would be no political party will be coming. Nobody on the side. So I am sending a invitation to the Mark Golden led people National Party. Say we're doing a thing for Jaden Smith, a peaceful march for look out against child disappearing, for look out against abuse. Thank you for that, my family. Thank you for that. For look out against the abuse of young children. For look out against the missing of our young ladies and our young men them. We're doing a march protesting to show that we are still a country who care for each other. So I'm now inviting the People National Party. Please and thanks, we're inviting them publicly. So people, them can't say, because I have over 1,000 people over here, so I may have mostly 100 people on my Facebook. Almost 200. National embarrassment. She said nobody love the people again. Nobody, so big up the 100 people on my Facebook and big up the 1,000 people on the TikTok. That for sure say we still have some people who care for them brother and them sister. So all of you people clap for yourself. You could have done somewhere else. You could have turned a blind eye to Jaden Smith. But you there today to crack the case with me. So all of the people on my TikTok, big up on yourself. And people who follow me up on my page. Because I will be going live tonight. Me go up on the ends, people. Them say the principal yard. So I will be going there tonight, people, for make on swear go on. Me don't know for the principal yard, because remember, so sometimes the people tell me lie now. And take a little money from me. That's why I may say I can get back some money, people, for put towards the hunting of Jaden Smith, people, because at the end of the day, people, I want to see I put more than money, people. So it's a kind of way I say, people, I need to help people, because teach these people, word to the wise, never try to make it pay one. So when you see me ask for donation, people, is for put to is for sure say we're gonna win the warrior for Jaden Smith, people, and for all of the people them we're missing, and for all of the young lady them we're missing, and nobody now try to solve it. Thank you the people. So all of the people over here like and follow me, show people 1,000 people that's gonna follow my page. Invite some people. Thanks to the roses them. Give me some more roses, man. Send the roses them. Thank for the favor gift tonight. Me say I can get at least $300 or $400 worth of gift tonight, people. Yes, and at least that now can put some gas in my tank and assist me with the thing, people. Me I beg tonight, people, because at the end of the day, me spend all of my money alone. So if you give me some gift, you can say, boy, you say, boy, the emperor deserve it. If I never him, we wouldn't know so much things. If it wasn't for the emperor, we wouldn't know so much things. Thank you for that gift. Thank you for that for that thing. I first get a starlight. Thank you for the starlight. So people, pan TikTok, yes, pan Facebook, and if you want to send me some credit, people, the number is 1876 77 34594. The number is 1876 77 34594. Yes, thank you for that money gone there. So people, me just look back some credit on the phone, people, that's me can keep the life going. Because people, me have to give people school money, lunch money. People check me every day for money. Me have to assist people. Me have to pay staff. And you still me have to spend a whole heap of money, people, to try to pay the people and to give me information. From Jaden Smith case, people, me got almost $1 million already, people. And me can show you every last money. And if you come to my office, me can show you the book them of all who me pay money to get information, and me have them phone number for anybody who wants to lie me tell. So people, I've been spending money, so me look back some gas money now, people. Yes, and people. Me look back some phone card, people. That's me can keep the life going, people. Donation, people. I'm looking donation now, people. Please and thanks. Me say Oprah Winfrey, I ask a donation. Me say whole heap of big entertainer ask a donation. Me see the politician them ask a donation for run the country. Although I know where the money go and them get it. So why me know where solve crime? At the first crime this may solve, people, and me ask to say, tap up my screen, people. Send some art for me, send some love, send some wheel. Send a one lion, people. Send a one wheel, people. Send a what you call that thing that get the universe thing, people. Send me some gift, people. Yes, man, thanks to them thing, the people. Yeah, man, I can even get a $400 tonight, people. A one lion, a $500 thing, but TikTok, you go take back half it. So if you want to send me the gift, people, TikTok, you take back half it. So if you send me $400, people, I still $200 I'm going to get, because TikTok cut it in two. So people, you just give generously tonight, people. Give generously. You understand? This what they give me tonight, people, is going towards Jaden thing, and you know that. See that? Jaden mother, I buy her $500 US phone, me give her money for go buy a chip, me give her everything, people. And me never quint when me do it, people. Me did it generously, people. And I know me not see Jaden Smith mother call me. So me don't know if them hold her and take out the phone from her, or them go threaten her, people, because it's a local woman who is soft, you know, people. Anybody when know Jaden Smith mother tell her to call me, because I give her money from last week for buy a phone, and for buy credit. No, for buy a cheap, people, and me give her a brand new phone. Yes, and $500 for the phone, so a cheap phone, so I open and rob the woman phone. Yes, and so anybody who know Jaden Smith mother, tell her to call me. The father phone turn off, people, so I don't know ever get to Jaden Smith father, people. So anyway, the Almighty God will see me through. Yes, and people TikTok, will give me some art on Facebook, give me some tap on the screen of Facebook, tap the screen. Tap the screen, let me see that, people. Lord gosh, me not got nothing at tappings, people. So you want to know, people. Imagine now, people. The school principal came out, people. The school principal came out, people, and try. The school principal came out and try, people, for misled the case, people. For misled the case, people. And I do say misled. And if I'm telling something wrong, people, then you can say wrong me talk. No, people. The school principal came out and make the whole world know, say, somebody say Jaden Smith a runway. The school principal said somebody said Jaden Smith a runway. So the whole world, people, Billy said Jaden Smith pack him bag and gone to Portland or Jaden Smith because the little girl baby foot get broke. Jaden gone Galamazoo or gone to Shantytown in a Kingston, aka Shantytown. So, no. Why would the principal do something like that? Why would a grown man say the police them try to solve the case? Why would a grown man say Jaden Smith friend them and all of the people them who love the little boy try to solve the case? And tell the police and tell the world, say the principal come out to the people. Remember, I know me say so, him say so. And if somebody can tell me, say lie me tell. But what surprised all of these people, them never know so the Maroon Emperor would have come on the case. Them say go call L.L. Lewis to solve it. Call the Maroon Emperor for solve it. Call the Yankee Punk Pitney for solve it. Because this is killing you more than history. Alright. So anyway, people, they didn't know. Say, you the people them would have called the Maroon Emperor on the case. Or probably they may say, oh, Jaden Smith that now, or the Maroon Emperor. Him now go left Maroon government business and come for the case. Because see the people that call Andrew Wallace and Andrew Wallace now come and the people that call for the big people. And no. The Maroon Emperor, once the people them call me like Michael Jackson, I'll be there. Everybody know that? Me's a he that for people. Me's a he that for people. Once the people them call me people, I will be there. I want you to understand what I say. I will be there. No. Since this thing of people, why would the principal of the school come out and say, but nobody never asked him nothing. He just voluntarily come out and say, oh it's Jaden Smith looking for, you know, say, one of my teachers them, or one of my friend them say Jaden Smith pack a look bag and cut gun. Where him cut gun? No, people. Can somebody left in the comment, why would the principal of the school come out and said something like that? And if him do see Jaden Smith a runway, who is that person who could say Miss Green, or Mr. Gregor, or John Tam, or Mass Joe? See when Jaden a runway. Why him could come out and say that, but nobody asked him what. So, and then through the school principal, and him is a pastor. So a whole heap of people believe him. It was credible because them say, a pastor, so him not going to tell a lie. And the school principal, so him not going to tell a lie. But let me tell you something, people. He was lying. People who don't know when me go to work, you know. Who don't know when me go to work, I go to work spiritually and physically, because the Almighty God guide me spiritually, people. And they full me up with the goods of spirit, people. And me pay the money, people. So people come out physically to talk to things. People, can I get some art? Can I get some top of the screen? Can I get some gift? Because I brought gift go to people. So, and the emperor, so I have to give me some gift. And the chief high priest, the Maroon Emperor, na Yankee Pong picking it. Them so go call L.L. Lewis, where try with life go down. That couldn't tell Life and Vibes Cartel. No, people. But through the school principal. And him have a title named Pastor. Him have a title named Pastor. Who do know what send go grab him? No. Yes. What people don't like I share the show. People don't give me some gift. Thank you. No. Tap up the screen, people. More got at least 1 million. Tap the screen, people. Tap the screen, tap the screen. See the people just tap the screen. Put on the art, them people. Tap up the screen. More go viral tonight, people. I'm not going in a viral mode and I got the biggest news in sliced bread. Now, did you know, people? Say, The pastor got the mother and the daughter up in yard, people. How long did you know, say, when them say the cousin come pick up Jaden? Me have to look two side people to see if them said anybody, but me goozering them now about my people, so I know so the coast clear. Did you crowd of people know, say, hey, the pastor, aka the school principal name Mr. Gabriel? I don't know which if a Gabriel the archangel, I don't know if a Gabriel the DJ, but a Gabriel the principal, people, Gabriel the pastor. The girl come down, people, and up at the school principal yard. The girl go bathe, go shower, and go change her drawers. Them remember, you know. I know me said the girl never come down with no drawers, you know. And the stepfather said the girl just come down. And then the poor Mr. Man, Mr. T, the father-in-law, people, the stepdaddy, he must say get burned till he made right and right. Did you know, say the mother up at the pastor yard all long, and the key what Mr. Thompson check say, and the daughter-in-law must buy house or rent house. Mr. T never knows that key never him see that the house so long. What every time people and bag wife, him see him wife every time grab it tight. Mr. T never knows say at the school principal bedroom, at the school principal house. No. I get to understand. Say that I one of the school principal's cabin to stabbing house. So why is Mr. T wife of the principal scabbing house? Who do you know what I mean already, people? And I wonder if that house is a sacrificial house. I wonder if that house is a cult house. Jaden thing look like it planned long time, people. Because remember, say Jaden is a big spirit, you know. Jaden, the youth super bright. It's like them have him long time, people. So I wonder. See it, people? They want to lock up my TikTok. I want them to lock up my Facebook too. People, see them all lock up my TikTok, people. Tap it on the screen, people. Tap out the screen, people. Tap out the screen. Give me some love, people. Tap the screen, people. Tap the screen if you want to get more information. Me have everything for the people. Tonight, the case solved, people. This need crowd. Tonight, Jaden Smith case solved, people. People, come on now. I'm going to give me two good gift to people. I need some guests in my car, people, because we're going to do the demonstration Friday, people. This Friday in Jaden, in front of Jaden Smith school, people, and we walk over the Mega Mart. Now, why only believe, say, the principal don't want to assist with the marching people? Only tell me why. Only tell me why. Why the principal turned down the marching when the people them go ask him, said, if him can, because remember now, he was the principal for the school now, so he would have sent out some letter to all the parents and invite the parents out to, and invite the children and say, children, let us go and do a march in the name of Jaden Smith. Because in times like this, when the country need the man them fair breed the girl them, because the girl them now breed from one there, and the man them sperms count to get low, we need to save you, the children. We need to not children missing, and the school principal people turn on the march. So, if you don't see him at the march, people, then you can say, boy, Emperor Lawyer tell the man never turn on the march. And you can call him and ask him, say, Mr. Thompson, no, Mr. Gabriel, did you turn on the march? Did you turn down the march with Jaden Smith? I look up Pitney where you got your school. I look up Pitney where the whole world I look for. And police, instead of police in your yard, police in your bush I look. No, me know what police used to say. He escaping nearby bushes. So come like the bush thing that's like the police. We need some look young boy police. We need some look young investigator to take on that thing. Because come let's say one time when me just a chain for turn police the people. That look thing that need our head now. So every time we're going to the force here, yo, We have to reverse that thing there now. A man rushing with knife and him escaping nearby bushes. A man rushing with a cutlass and we have to kill him. But good principal house not get raid. Not only cabin stabbing, but any other house him have. Tell me if I lie, me tell people. No. The school principal people is an accomplice. Did I say the word right? Is accomplice. Him involved in the investigation because him come out. Why him never tell the police him say, yo, you know so up on my yard, the girl asleep? Why him never tell the police him say, you know, so Mr. Thompson's wife have the key few much years, and Mr. Thompson never knows how my key the woman have. So Mr. Thompson, check out where your wife get them extra money there from Mr. Thompson. Check out her pay bill and the principal give her money. So for the principal give her extra money, she must be doing some extra things. I'm just saying. Me never say she do no extra to people. Me say she must be doing some extra things. I'm just saying. So TikTok, Facebook, would tell me if I'm saying something wrong. I'm just an emperor who just, my mind just go wild more time, people. Now, why is Miss Thompson, and Miss Thompson she name right, people? Why Miss Thompson have the principal bedroom key and walk up and down for how much months? And poor Mr. Thompson. Boy, Mr. Thompson must say, Lord gosh, Emperor, thank you for me know so me a girl idiot. And Mr. Thompson, the woman give the key for go get her daughter. I hear Mr. Thompson, Lord God, see Mr. Thompson people, what are the people? See Mr. Thompson when they get the key? Lord gosh. Big bungler key to the people. So that Mr. She have the key for probably panda key ring the people. Because Mr. Thompson said it was a bungler key. So what she do with the bungler key for the school principal? Rest my case. I'm just saying, probably look cabin stabbing a go on, probably look burning a go on, what do you call it foreign? Probably look cheating, eating a go on, or juking, stabbing, I don't know. People may sweat. See me tell you, I'm here going to Harlem exclusive information here. I'm not get no gift. Some yes, figure a country in the night of people. Figure up on Jaden with case. People. How on earth you hear what I say? Oh, Miss T end up with the pastor key in bedroom. And oh, what's your name? Janique, what's your name? Oh, Miss T daughter have how much drawers load of panty? Have how much nighty? All Miss T have clothes up on the yard, people. The helper tell me, somebody tell me. All Miss T have clothes up on the yard, people. Delete the part out of what I talk about the something by the people. Delete the part there. Yeah, by mistake. Accidentally make us say the part of the people. Delete the part out of the video. When time TikTok, when you put up the video on YouTube, delete the part there. So people, one of the part can delete out. Yeah, so people, more keep some of my informant them. So my apologies. So me kinda miss. I say something just called people, so they delete that part there. No, people. Miss T. Tell Miss T if you come say lie, me tell it to Mr. Tom wife or Mr. Man wife that the girl take father. Oh, she have so much. People. Oh, she has so much clothes up on this. Oh, she had a daughter. Have clothes. Up on the principal yard. Mother and daughter have dress. You know, if we not find no dress, can afford that for some dress. I have to put the dress on the beat, so the dress talk. Everyone look at the dress talk. Somebody will comment what to make a language. Tell them what your dress. TikTok, Facebook, tell them what your dress. Yes. No, people. What are going on, people? Them can't deny it. Up at the yard, they mad. Because Mr. T give him. And I think the pastor by the car, me here say. The black car people, I think the pastor by either Miss T car or the daughter car. So all the pastor, I don't know people, I'm just saying. So the pastor have to come out, darling, and the pastor have to come out and say, I don't me buy them the car. I just probably I look at money I put and lend them. So that's why you don't see people. We can't get the driver for the car. We can't get the car, the license plate for the car. Because the car tied to big people. And who dare the Maroon Emperor if he go and bust the case? How the Maroon Emperor so bright, but him go and bust case. So people, them make all, remember see Sita people? Them put out all things to get me for the case, Sita people. Well, and them, remember see, because I don't want to tell me some line of people. So who would go to that extent now to make them big time ads of people? Because me say AI ads in people. So you have, so now look at broke pocket boy now go put AI ads people. See that people, all the internet gone on the phone people, Lord have mercy. The internet gone on the phone people. I want them and see that people tap up the screen. People tap up the screen. Tap up the screen people. See that the AI ads people, make sure I find it anyway. So people, since the AI ads take so long to come. No. You ready for hear the story now, people? If you don't want me go on my yard, say go me live when I go down at the house. That means I say, officer, see the house. Since you know can't find the house, see the house. I can tell you where the house there. I only go to the house one morning. So officer, see the house, yeah. So I am looking some money tonight, people, for put in the car tank. If you go down a country, so that's why I say people, on the top of the screen, because I say, beg on some money, you know, go say, Lord gosh, yeah, beg now. So I say, people, give me some gift. And then I transfer the gift them people, either some money, put in some gas tank, get some tank in the gas, up my phone, people. If you want to send some credit on my phone, people, it's a Lime phone, people. It's a Flow phone, people. The Flow phone, people, the number is 1876 7734 1876 7734 I the first one never see me ask the things, people. I'm not asking nothing. I'm always giving. So if you don't love Jaden Smith, people, I am going down to the house tonight. Me get the address, people. Me send the address, go get the police them from yesterday. And I'll know the people them next door. I mean the people them what pass somebody, what did the next door, what pass somebody down at the next door, call me and say, Emperor, I'll know nobody, no police will come at the house. I want to hear what I say. I want to know if you people innocent what I say. The people at next door, I mean, people want to water, but come and make it too. See, people made the thing there. Now people, the people that were next door to me, to my workplace, do and run a Walter, call me and call somebody, or give me the address. Yes, the people that were next door to my workplace. The people that were next door to my workplace, people in Kingston here, call me this morning. I mean, call me the day before yesterday. And say, see your address here. And them send somebody down there to go look. Yes, them send somebody for go look, and them not see the police coming in the car. Them give me the address, and I send the address, go get the police them, and cause the people know all them kind of thing in them era. So them rich people when them hear something like that in them era, them a call me. See it, people. Night Joe murder me. Me out in a rain, me out in a bush, a search. See the people. Somebody have a nice pharmacy lady have called me. Say, Mr. Lewis, I heard that the Burberry them juke you in your leg and it was scratching you. Here's the ointment. And the lady, me check said the lady go sell. The lady said, no, Mr. Lewis, we love you. We watch you, we like what you give. The lady give me the ointment free. It not to scratch me again, people, because me that say, cause me don't know find my head, people. Through me get information, me run gun a country people like a man devil 2 o'clock in the night, in the early morning, people. Go look for Jaden Smith. And people, me forgot something, I forgot in them bush and the thing, them scratch up my foot to see people, boy, I don't know. Swear to God, the place stink. You watch them and watch me showing the people. People, if I lie, me tell say the whole place think like I must see somebody will pass and ask if them smell a stinking smell. People, me tell about them cultist people. Them work, they have to believe, you know, look at poor people work over them work. So them take Jaden soul people. I use Jaden soul people. But me never want to tell them the part, they don't want to figure it out for themselves. But since them send blood clad up, you see me have to cause a bomb clad there. People, the whole place stink. And see the people in the Migla road me there. So I like no dead dog up on the road, and I like no rubbish truck pass on the road, people. Where them can't say, Lord gosh, it's a rubbish truck pass, so that's the place that stink. So, you can't tap me. People right on my head. See the people, so we ring them start on black. We shall have it, Timosha Manisha. We shall have it. And that's why enough people afraid, because a cultist thing in a Jaden killing people. That's why you see the police officer with on the case, and that him no want to do nothing to people, but afraid. See people, look here, not even dog up on the road, people see there? Not even dog up on the road, that's the only can say a dog pass and poop or something. No joking thing, people, that case is a dangerous case. Only can go and laugh and believe a joke thing. No, people. You ask yourself why the police them do, because me by people, if it find out that's why people love America and people. Sometimes you might say something, see, but this could happen in America, people. Even the place would have to turn over the thing, people. Mega Mart would have to turn over the footage long time. Can remember, people, if Jaden left him phone at the yard, people, who tell Jaden say him for go to Mega Mart, him cause you come meet him over there. Who tell Jaden say him cause you come meet him at Mega Mart? People, wanna guess now? Who could it be? Who tell the little boy say him for go to Mega Mart from the school? Tell the little boy say, tell him look a school friend say, here's the umbrella. You can't go. You see the little boy kind, people. Because the little boy knows I'm going to car though, people. And the little boy happy say I'm going to meet him cousin people. So the little boy say, yo, say umbrella man, I'm ready to fall. Shelter yourself. So while the little boy sorry for you look at somebody to shelter them, that kind of art of Jaden and people. The man give him look a school friend the umbrella and say, no man, me get car drive man. See the umbrella yeah. Give him look a shelter, people. What to shelter himself from the storm. I never know say him a going to arm. Me better than the whole of no. Show the blood clot me better than no. Rise! Bomba clot. Return to sender. Do unto them as they want to do unto me. All hail. My ancestors, rise. Since you want what kind of blood clot up in me walk with. Suck on the mama. On the bad like me. Oh, whoa. You want my blood clot ring them? I'll dog you back on my rub. Say no, look a thinking dirty blood clot. Look a thinking dirty blood clot. Look a dopey. Now make me get mad around this. Yes, when my ring rub people, how are you? You believe a fake ring them, yeah? You believe a jewelry them up on my finger? The bomb clot, you know, come suck on the mother. Why you believe the people them send for me? What? Wanna ramp with me? Alright. I'm in a ramp with. Send the blood clot thinking up if I run, ramp with me. Ramp with me. Ramp with me. No shot. When I believe a normal ank this me have around me, on the ramp with me. hungry somebody can get me that for that case, yeah. And the public have to tell me if come out for that case, yeah. Cause people don't call me and tell me, say, if me come out for that case, yeah, them go kill themselves. People, tell them to ramp with me. Na shot. Na Yankee Pong, Pikibo. Na Yankee Pong, Pikibo. Open my third eye. Destroy all those who come to destroy me. Grandma mama shata. Oh mama na ta 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 la 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 la. Yes, Adata. Tell the people. Me telling the people. Say that this come down people. Oh, don't believe me a joker. Oh, you come ramp with me. Oh, if you don't believe you no bad, come ramp with me. Yes, man, me show no. Oh, you kill the bomber clad, look a boy, and then believe it go so. Oh, you come ramp with me, man. Bomber clad. Me go show no say my thing and a joke thing. It's a job me get for do. God me work with. God job me do people. All them a blood clock come send the thinking thing for come get me off a case. Me alone upon a big road of people. And this big thinking smell come down. And believe me, I hear that. Oh, it's a dog poop over him yard or a man bust a fart over him yard. And then when time he go to door people, the whole road think like rascal. I don't know if I say. You know when time some dead dog rotten. And that smell that come lick my people. You must believe me a joker. People, I'm telling that thing out. What I am doing, people, is no joking thing. You might see it as a joking thing. That's why the police them afraid. If you know what me know, I talk to one of the police them at Era Tree and the man say, Emperor, everybody afraid to come that case there. The man say, Emperor, that case is normal. Me tell you something, people. And if I lie, me tell, ask any police. The only case, a matter of fact, 2 cases in a Jamaica, every police afraid to investigate is the child missing case and the woman them were missing case. No police will touch it with a long straw. But you tell a police that some man have 200,000 gun over a yard, them will go over and go out another case there. Tell a police, you know, so look up pitney missing. And it related to back to a pastor, it related back to a church. Them not touch that because them know say every police will touch that end up dead or end up losing job. No. If it was a different some of the people, if I lie, me tell me say lie now. If it was a different some of the people and anything happened to my people, Mr. Gabriel, you and everybody, because me collect all of the thing them people and me send it out to certain people. Who are going to send out to certain people, and even the I don't know my thing already, people. I'm the emperor. Because, let me tell the people, if you want me to drive off tonight, people, I crash my car, supposed to crash and turn over, you know. Me know that spell what them send to people. I know that spell what them send. Them for know say, me and a normal somebody, and me a plateau great grandnephew. None of the maroon is my great grandaunt. Some have the bloodline of my Frank Garden. I'm my grandfather by my mother's side. We're going to pay there, alright?
Yeah, I'm there, man. I'm going to have 5 bills and buy food now.
You know, sir, I don't have no money for me to the whole lot of them. I see me have 5 bills. Whole lot of them see in my pocket. Yeah, man, see it at Wallace.
Yeah.
Yo. You don't smell nothing stink out of the door there? It gone. See me telling the people, see the smell gone, big up myself and pitney.
Yeah.
Alright, I know rubbish truck the pass for the road.
No.
See me tell the people, don't ramp with me. Yes, when me ring them together, people, who they hear the dog get back, who they say all the place get dark. Because nobody believe a normal goods ring them for me and people. 3 up in another one, 3 up in another one, 3 up in another one, 2 up in another one, people, another one, conjuring people. Don't ramp with me. See the people, look. When you believe a normal ring people, look, you see them turn black people. When you see them turn black some people, you know say a death angel them send around my people. See that people, the whole of my finger burn me, look here. See it? The whole of my finger burn me. Me can't make up story people. You saw me, oh there people. People, give me some gift here people. Give me some gift. People. If I'm telling one lie, because people I pay my money in the people. I mean I run my $100,000 people unless me get credible news people. That's where you see me solve Donnelly case. That's where you see me solve Naya case. That's where you see me solve what the killing, what the woman coming from foreign and pay the boy them to go kill the politician daughter and him baby mother. That's where you see me solve the killing what them do down Mobile the other day. Me solve busted case people. Look how much thing me solve. Look how the KFC killing people in a Clarendon people. Miss Gwen again people. Remember Miss Gwen when them kill the 4 local daughter people and me met the police and hold the boy when the Rasta man call me and say, "Hello, I'm call her." I'm say, "Rasta, you sure him that the yard?" And me call the police and people and the police them go and catch the boy. And I'll know me not get no thanks people. I'll know nobody not tell me say thank you. See the people? Me can't even get nobody to tap up my screen people. Not even tap up the screen.
Hello.
Well, got my pick there, right?
Yeah, I'm being something.
Let me say man the money. Boy, I mean, your foot short and I'll come and just come and beat it just while you know. Alright, hold this. Let's go buy a juice, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm picking the safe.
Yeah.
Yeah man, see people are so many things here people. That's why when I ask on the people, just tap out the screen of people. I say, me as a boy, it look at weird people for say, me there a solve case, people send up if you come turn over my car, people send threat to me, people tell me say, them a buy out the case, and me still up on the case and I spend more money, and on the show, how would they beg me to stay up on the case, you know, and would not even give me a decent gift, would not even tap out the screen and give me some art. Come on people, man. We have a art, man. Where the love gone, where the compassion gone. Guzu man. Them don't know say I know popcorn ring them for man people. Them be them afraid. Them say I run on dopey. Them say I run on dopey in a graveyard. Them say a legions. Them say legions more walk with. And none of the married and my great grandaunt people. Me have the blood in me, me have the God blood in me, me have the Lewis them blood in me people, me have royal blood in me. Descendant. Them is a plateau rotted thing me have for me. And also I rent down a Walton people. For me be a mother. The also I'm rent people. I one of the baddest warrior man in Jamaica that live in the house of people. Bookman, I want more name people. I'm the Siago #1 Webberman people. Ask anybody about that yard there. I'm think a normal man like Buster man to live up on the road people. Before them try to turn the era in a ghetto era. People me vex man. I know some man about to go down the yard to the people. Because you want me not go down the yard people. Because imagine, me say me need some gift. Because I know say, the look of gift you want to give me, that not touch, not even $100. I want to know that too. You understand? But I do give thanks to it. You understand? And me, for go down the country people, the country, everybody knows say, ask anybody what drive go down there. At $10,000 for go and come, plus the toll fee for pay people. And me go, for just go make uno say where the house there. Me not about to go down there, people. Me not about to go down there. I'm good. Me go and do the investigation, people. So this coming Friday, people, we will be doing a march, people. We will be doing a march, people. You understand? People have some more love people and some more. Have to give look a bit more people. Why believe me I also get people? Can me give a lot? So thank the 2 people who give me the gift. Thanks to the money gonna my friend. Only can do better people. You understand? Only for do a thing called encouragement sweeten labor. See it not even tap on that tap up the screen. You know some people say, alright, me not the gift, so I'm gonna tap the screen. For the emperor go to the rank. Not even follow the page and people. Not even follow the page. If you say, yeah, son, come watch the show And this is a reality show, you know. And this is a real reality show, the people. We are showing a real killing. We are showing a real solving crime. We are solving real crime on real time.